Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, there are two ways for you to actually start using CJ Dropshipping in Shopify. So the first method is via the Shopify website. In this case, you just need to go to your settings at the bottom left here, and from here, go to the option that says Apps and Sales Channel, and from here, click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now in this case, what we need to do is you just need to type in CJ Dropshipping, and once you've typed that, what you need to do is you need to open up this app here. In this case, just click on the install here, and that should install the CJ Dropshipping into your store and just log in into your account for you to successfully connect your account. Now in this case, what is the other way for you to connect your account or start using CJ Dropshipping into your Shopify account? This case is via the CJ Dropshipping website itself. In this case, go to cjdropshipping.com. Log in into your account. So typically at the top right, you should see a login button. Now at the left panel here, there's going to be a lot of things that you should be able to see. In this case, look for the option that says authorization. In this case, click on Shopify here. And once you've done that, it should redirect you to this section here. In this case, just click on Add Store. And from here, it's going to give you some information how to actually connect your account. In this case, just click on the Authorize button at the bottom right of your screen. Again, click on the Install button that you see here. And from here, what you need to do is you just need to wait for Shopify to install CJ Dropshipping into your account. In this case, just click on Install. And from here, it's going to load up some information. In this case, just click on Authorize here. Click on Confirm. And once you've done that, you should be able to access CJ Dropshipping into your Shopify account. Now in this case, make sure that you authorize this again. And from here, once you actually go back, as you can see, we have the authorization success. And from here, we are now ready to start using CJ Dropshipping into Shopify. Now in this case, you could go ahead and go to the following options here. Like for example, if you want to start adding products, just click on Find Products here. And from here, choose any of the products that you see here. Like for example, we have this product here. So go and click on it. And should open up in another tab here. And from here, what you need to do is you need to start adding this. Now in this case, what we need to do is we need to add this one. So let's go ahead and click on the option that says List. And from here, it's going to open this section here. As you can see, it's going to automatically select our store here. In this case, just make sure that you actually click on the drop down here, choose the Shopify store. So make sure that you choose that. And from here, specify the product type, the vendor, title, collections, and any tags that you want to use. Also, you could go ahead and click on variant pricing, images and videos, descriptions here, and a lot more if you want to edit those. In this case, once you've done that, you could go ahead and just click on List It Now, and it's going to start listing it into your Shopify store. Now in this case, that's how you start using CJ Dropshipping on Shopify. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.